Welcome. This is the new Evpad 11P, and this is their new remote control. So you can go straight to the YouTube or to the Google Play. Go to the home button or the return button. Now it's easy to navigate this Evpad. You just go to Venus. So the live TV and the VOD is there also. The live TV is here. You have China, Taiwan, Singapore, Australia, Japan, India, Philippines, movies or sports, cooking show. You can collect yourself in your collection, your favorite TV show. And let's go to the movies. The latest new arrival. They also have 4K, Blu-ray, the Netflix movies, the Disney movies, and we go to the Stellar board is another application, all for movies. And then go back. And this one is a live TV. It's alternative to the Venus 11.
Does do it a little bit, but he does tend to take that more conventional fullback position. He's an out-and-out defender.
And if you want to have your Netflix, just put your account here, so you can play your Netflix account here also. So basically, it's so fast, and it's really worth it to buy the Evpad 11P. So thank you, and please like and share this video.